Being a mobile business, obviously we have to park our trailer in places that aren't always secure. Within the first 2 weeks of having my software, unfortunately my truck was broken into and my POSs, the 3 tablets I have, were taken, but just a simple call in and they replaced them within a couple days. Before Fuego, I was using a smaller company, Ovation, who did not specialize in food trucks. Some of the frustrations I had is the reporting. It didn't give me specifics to the food industry, keeping track of stock and cost, and also that we were going off of paper, and I knew I wanted to move to a paperless system, so KDSs were a big part of my decision. It was just a handheld, basically a phone in my hand, and I wanted to have something that was bigger. Instead of the handheld, I went with a tablet. So when I found Fuego, they had a more user-friendly interface. They showed me a lot of the reporting that could work with my menu and the tailoring of my menu. That's really why we went with Fuego. Hi, my name is Melissa. I am the owner-operator of Major Munchiez Food Trailer. We have been out here in Vegas since June or July of last year, and we serve burgers, sliders, chicken strips, hot dogs, and our famous chili cheese fries. The onboarding experience was great. The best part about that is the customer service. I had my merchant account set up. They were on top of it. I provided my menu. I work with Jennifer. Every time I need something, I can just simply text her or call her, and she usually fixes it within 5-10 minutes. I started looking for a new software system September of last year. We compared costs between Square and Clover, Toast, SkyTab. I mean, there's so many out there. I chose Fuego because the overhead of it seemed low enough and yet still produced what I needed it to do. I didn't want to go in spending $2,000-$3,000 on equipment. The monthly fees are minimal, about the same as that they were before. I just have more equipment, and the merchant fees have been a little bit less. My favorite feature is the texting. It is unlimited, which is great. It doesn't matter how many I send. The customers seem to like it, and it allows me to stay paperless because it goes through my KDS. I simply press a button to notify, and until they pick up, I can keep notifying them, so I can send 2 or 3 text messages. Just make sure you double check your phone number before you press submit. The internet feature with Fuego is really handy. Each unit has its own service. I don't have to worry about them disconnecting. I also happen to use the tablet outside of the truck when I need to because of that cell service. The relationship I have with Fuego has been very professional and easygoing. They're friendly, encouraging, very eager to please. Fuego has been the right choice for us in streamlining our systems and processes and getting our food out the window faster.